Hi, this is Henning from FlippedNormals.com, and in this video, I'm going to go through the learning path for the rise of the character artist Blender FlipBox. When you suddenly get a lot of tutorials like this in your lap, it can be quite confusing since you have so many tutorials to go through. So in this video, I'm going to go through the recommended path that we set out for you to make this easy and digestible. And as a heads up, you can also find this video here as an article, link in the description. Starting out, we recommend the absolute beginner 3D character tutorial in Blender. If you're new to Blender and 3D sculpting, this is a really good place to start. You will learn the very basics of Blender while also making your first tutorial. No prior knowledge is required for this whatsoever, so if you are completely fresh to characters and Blender, this is the perfect place to jump in. Once you got the basics down, we recommend Character Crafting with Blender, a 3D adventure for absolute newbies. This is also fairly similar to the first one, and you could start with either one of them, but this is the second one we recommend. This is also a really good beginner course, and it covers how to create this really lovely character start to finish with, of course, the great Nico. It expands on the core principles while still guiding you through all the steps in the character process, so you'll feel quite confident in making simple characters by the time you're done. As a third tutorial, we recommend 3D Character in Blender Viking Edition. This is where you learn how to create this really nice Viking start to finish. This is, of course, all real time as well with Nico. This course blends stylization with realistic details to really help you refine your sculpting and design workflow for more ambitious projects to come. Next up, create a commercial 3D game character in Blender full tutorial. This is where you'll learn how to create this character here start to finish. You'll get a lot of insight into how to create professional level game characters, where you will learn everything from sculpting to texturing to presentation, giving you a very strong idea of what it takes to work in an actual production, such as you can see here, the high poly and the low poly. Once we're done with that, we recommend the 3D female armored assassin in Blender tutorial. This course gives you insight into how to create a professional level game characters. This course takes you through the entire workflow of creating a stylized game ready character, teaching you essential sculpting techniques and detailing methods, all in Blender. Next up, Lobo, 3D character in Blender tutorial. In this project, you will create a highly detailed character with a very strong personality. The Lobo course helps you refine your ability to translate concept art into fully fleshed out 3D models. Next up, Dragon Girl in Blender course. With the Dragon Girl, you will dive into fantasy design, learning how to combine human and creature elements in your character creation. It's a fun, creative challenge that encourages you to think outside the box, both when it comes to design, but also when it comes to the sculpting technique and how to use Blender as well. And as a final full character tutorial, we recommend the full game character in Blender course, the Moth Knight. You'll end your journey with the Moth Knight course, a full professional workflow for creating a game character from scratch. You will bring everything you learned together so far, from sculpting, detailing, retopology, and straight up creating a nicely polished character for your portfolio. And if you've been getting the secret anatomy tier, you will also get 3 extra courses as well for only $5, which are phenomenal. With these courses, you can take them in any order. We have the legs and feet anatomy exercises course, arm and hand anatomy exercises course, and head anatomy and sculpting exercises tutorial. Each one of them focuses on different things. The legs and feet course is all about mastering legs and feet through focus anatomy exercises. You will learn muscle groups, shapes, and proportions while sculpting or drawing realistic and stylized legs. By the end, you'll feel pretty confident tackling legs and feet from pretty much every angle. The arm and hand course focuses on mastering arms and hands through practical sculpting and drawing exercises. You will learn anatomy, muscle groups, and proportions while creating everything from realistic to stylized versions. I personally think this is an absolutely fantastic course. Hands and forearms are so difficult to get right, so this is a really good course for really breaking down how to approach arms. And finally, the head anatomy course. If your head sculpts never look quite right, this course is here to fix that. You will learn how to build the male and female heads from the skull and master the anatomy of heads, proportions, and forms through really focused exercises and feedback. So that's it for this video. If you prefer a written article, make sure to check that out as well, that you can see right here, which covers the exact same information covered in this video.